Banking sector in India, especially private banks, are seeking higher foreign investment to strengthen them. Relaxing the regulations could give a boost to the Indian economy. A report.
While higher foreign investment could breathe some life into India's banking system, that's currently easier said than done. The automatic limit on foreign direct investment in banks is currently set at 49%, although it can be increased to 74% on a case-by-case basis. Loosening the regulations further to allow 100% foreign ownership is seen by some as a way of helping the banking sector, which is struggling with non-performing assets.
There is no logical reason why Indian banks cannot be owned 100% by foreign entities. So logically that fits in. Apart from that, if you look at the situation today the Indian entire banking sector is in, there is a significant need for recapitalization and increasing the capital, both tier 1 and tier 2 of Indian banks. There may not be so much of resources available locally.
The government has already allowed foreign investment in private lender HDFC Bank to reach 74%. Relaxing the limits further in the sector could open the door to big players in the global banking scene, and this is seen by some as a positive move.
Historically, it has been proven that participation of renowned large names in banking sector, either in the emerging markets or the developed market, is beneficial for the banking industry in the long run. A, it incentivizes good practices, and B, it increases the availability of capital, productive capital in the banking sector.
And it's not just the individual banks who could benefit. Experts believe more foreign participation in the banking sector would protect the economy from the headwinds of the currency volatility.
That definitely helps the balance of payments position, that increases the foreign currency reserves, that acts as a cushion in the event of major volatility in the currencies. So I think it fits in with the government's plan, with Prime Minister's plan, and it will definitely help the banks.
70% of the Indian banking sector is dominated by state-owned banks, which are struggling with large and growing bad debt burdens. Opening the doors to foreign investment could help ease a problem which is threatening to cast a shadow over the economy. Nidhi Rai, South Asia Newsline, Mumbai.